What's up guys, Ryan from the MXG channel back again, and it's another exciting day today, a little bit of news. So bunch of buzz this week and next week. We've got the SEMA show in California, I believe, and then we've got the Ktm Motorcycle show in Italy. So some really cool stuff will hopefully be announced. But what I want to talk about in this video is a video that got posted to the KTM Australia Facebook page yesterday. I think so, about 17 or 18 hours from when this video, before this video was posted, is when the video is posted on KTM Australia. And basically it's got a thumbnail that just says, something new, and kind of looks like a big dual sport or a small adventure bike. And we can watch the whole video, but if you pause it and look at it in some spots, you'll see obviously that there's panniers on it. I think there's a tank bag. The exhaust is on the left side, I believe. So we know it's not a regular dirt bike. It does appear to be a single cylinder machine. Now what's interesting is this video did not get posted to the KTM USA Facebook page or anywhere else that I've seen thus far. So did somebody at KTM Australia jump the gun, or what's going on here? Now some prominent YouTubers have already done some videos on this, some guys that are way more in tune with the adventure scene, rumors and stuff than I am, and a couple of them I've heard a few different things. I believe it's Motorcycle Adventures Dirt Bike TV. He thinks this must be the 490 Adventure that we've known about for a long time, waiting on an official release on. I believe Chronicles of Solid, really big adventure channel, he thinks that this is maybe a 390 Enduro R. Either way, I'm excited. I don't care which one it is. We've really needed a smaller Enduro R bike that's maybe a little bit more affordable than the Enduro R pricing, which I think is around $13,000 or something like that. So that Enduro R is maybe my favorite motorcycle ever, but it's just out of reach for so many riders. If they could get something along that theme for closer to $8,000, $9,000, that'd be great. So anyway, hopefully we hear more about this today, or at least within the next week, during the Ktm show or something like that. So that's all I got for you today, guys. Hit the subscribe button and grab your parts from Appalachian Off-Road MC. They make these videos possible. See you in the next one.